Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the 7 steps of data analysis. No, not the cosmos of space, the cosmos of data. Data is everywhere around us. It's a bit like dark matter in that way, always there but invisible to the naked eye. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned analyst, these 7 steps are your astrolabe, your map to navigating the dataverse, and emerging with actionable insights. So buckle up, get ready to explore, and who knows, we might even discover a new statistical galaxy or two along the way. Before you even think about collecting data, you need to know why. Just like you wouldn't launch a rocket without a destination, you shouldn't dive into data without a clear question in mind. What are you trying to solve? What mystery are you hoping to unravel? This question, my friends, is your North Star guiding your entire analytical voyage. It could be anything from why are sales dropping to is there a correlation between social media engagement and product launches. Be specific, be clear, and be bold in your quest for knowledge. This isn't some whimsical shooting star wish. This is about transforming curiosity into concrete conclusions. Now that you have your burning question, it's time to gather the fuel for your analysis. Data. Think of this as casting a net into the vast ocean of information. You'll be trawling through databases, reeling in surveys, and maybe even hooking some insights from online resources. But a word of caution, not all data is created equal. Just like a fisherman sorts his catch, you'll need to be discerning. Is your data relevant to your question? Is it reliable? Is it representative of the bigger picture? Remember, garbage in, garbage out, as they say. So be selective, be critical, and make sure your data is worthy of your analytical prowess. Okay, you've hauled in your data catch, but hold on. Before you start cooking up insights, you need to give your data a good scrubbing. Think of this as the spring cleaning phase of data analysis, where you roll up your sleeves and get down to the nitty-gritty. You'll be hunting down pesky duplicates, wrangling missing values, and smoothing out any inconsistencies that might throw off your analysis. It's not the most glamorous part of the process, I'll admit, but trust me, clean data is the foundation upon which insightful analysis is built. Now the fun really begins. With your data sparkling clean, it's time to roll up your sleeves and unleash the power of statistics. Think of your statistical tools as telescopes, allowing you to peer deep into the data and uncover hidden patterns and relationships. Are you seeing any interesting trends, any correlations that make you go, that's curious? This is where your detective skills come into play, my friends. Interrogate the data relentlessly, ask probing questions, and don't be afraid to go down a few rabbit holes. Congratulations, you survived the statistical gauntlet, but your journey isn't over yet. Now comes the crucial task of interpretation. It's time to translate those numbers into meaningful insights. What story is your data telling? What's the message behind the statistical noise? Remember, data doesn't speak for itself. It needs you to be its interpreter, its translator to the world. So put on your thinking cap, channel your inner storyteller, and get ready to unravel the mysteries hidden within your findings. You've extracted golden insights from the raw ore of data, but if no one understands your findings, what good are they? This is your chance to be the Carl Sagan of data, to explain complex concepts in a way that's engaging, informative, and maybe even a little bit awe-inspiring. Use charts, graphs, and visualizations to bring your data to life. Tell a story. Communication is about clarity, not jargon. Make your insights accessible, make them memorable, and most importantly, make them matter. This is it, the final frontier of data analysis. You've come so far from defining your question to communicating your findings, and now it's time to put all that hard work into action. Data-driven decisions are like rocket launches, fueled by insights and propelled by evidence. They're about taking calculated risks, optimizing strategies, and making informed choices that lead to real-world impact. So go forth, my data-driven friends, and use your newfound knowledge to make a difference in the world. Congratulations on completing this whirlwind tour of the data analysis process. Remember, just like the universe, the world of data is vast and constantly expanding. There's always something new to learn, some fresh insight to uncover. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop seeking answers in the sea of data.